Hello everyone. The Point of Sale Helpdesk customer support ticket app allow you to manage and point of sale customer support tickets using an helpdesk ticket system. After installing this module, you can see two options for creating a ticket. One is from the point of sale order list, another one is directly from the website page. Now let's get into the website. Under Mitchell admin, you can see my accounts. Let's get into that, where you can see the point of sale orders related to this particular user. For each and every order, user can see an option to raise and support ticket. Let's click on that, where we need to give and subject, customer, email, phone. If you need to add any attachments, you can attach it over here, priority, and the order detail will be automatically taken. And from here, you can add the descriptions. Now, after filling all the information, user can see an option to submit the tickets. Now, let's get into the backend to see how it actually works. Now, in this backend, you can get into the help desk, and under tickets, you can see all the tickets which we have created. And this is the one which we have created from the website page. And in this, you can see all the informations like subject, descriptions, and other more informations, including and point of sale order details. And on the top, you can see the point of sale order. So you can see an point of sale order in detail, which is related to that particular ticket. Okay, and there is another way of creating a ticket. So from the website page, you can see and create ticket options. From here, user can directly create a ticket by selecting an order over here. So in this way, you can make use of this module to manage and point of sale support tickets using an helpdesk ticket system. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.